Last year, 10 TV talked to several women who say they were sexually harassed or sexually assaulted while working at Cedar Point between the years of 1994 and 2021. But when we asked Cedar Point police for records investigating sexual assaults, we never received a response.
So attorneys representing 10 TV and our sister stations, WKYC in Cleveland and WTOL in Toledo, filed a lawsuit asking the Ohio Supreme Court to grant those records. And today, the state Supreme Court ruled in favor of our attorneys. In May of 2022, we reported that there had been 27 sexual assault reports related to Cedar Point employee dorms just in the previous 5 years. We got those reports from the Sandusky Police Department. Cedar Point repeatedly refused to give us their reports, arguing they were a private police force not subject to records law. But this morning, the Ohio Supreme Court ordered the park to turn over all of its sexual assault records. It rejected Cedar Point's private force argument, saying that the force was the functional equivalent of a public institution. 10 TV's attorney Ryan Gulliner of Forrest Brown Todd saying that the decision could set a positive precedent for police.
I think the impact is if you're a media outlet dealing with a private police force that has government involvement, is enforcing criminal laws and appointed or constituted by a government entity, you now have really favorable precedent you can point to in seeking public records from that entity.
Our attorneys say they will be reaching out to Cedar Point about these records this week. If you have a tip or want 10 Investigates to look into something, email us at 10investigates@10tv.com.